Hi, good morning. Today we're going to be doing a range of resistance bands movements, but we're going to be only seated. Anyone at home can do it quite easily, or the office. When you have a 5-minute break, your lunch break, your coffee break, you can do your stretches and get a quick workout. This is a great exercise that you can use as full body exercises, upper, lower as well, and the core. That gives you general training. Okay, so let's give this a try, and I'll move back and tune in. So today we'll start with some upper body exercises, working from the shoulders down to the chest, and then the arms, and then the abs, and then we'll work some lower body movements for the back, and then for the legs. Okay, so there'll be a range. So this is going to be introductory video. Perhaps I will split it into 3 parts. We'll see how we go, and let's get started. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll use the trainer band, which is suitable for anybody. The other bands you can use if you feel like a more strenuous workout, but let's start with this. I'm going to prove that all these exercises are not just for the fitness buffs, but pretty much anyone can get involved. Okay. The biceps. Okay. What I'll do is I'll change the chair to show that this is an office chair, and this is a hard style home chair. Bicep curls. Step on the band single, or you can double it up. Palms face up. Palms face up. And elbows bent. What we're doing is we concentrate on the bicep, so we don't want all this movement everywhere. So we're just pivoting on the elbows. Okay. And go slowly, because when you're pulling up, you have the resistance, and when you're going down, you also have the counter resistance, which is part of the resistance training as well. Okay. And then we have the concentration curl. What you do is working on a single arm. So if you step on the band on the right foot, you're working on the right arm. It depends on how low you step on the band, it gives you the strength. And what we're doing, we're bending in. And this really concentrates on the bicep. And use a thicker band. This is equivalent of carrying using weights and dumbbells. Okay. And this really concentrates on that bicep, if you really want to work on the bicep. Okay. Next, we have the tricep extension. You can put the band under the seat, or you can just sit on it as well. Let's try under the seat. What you can do is do a single hand, or you can do a double hand. But what we do is a single hand. Place it there. Lift it up. Left hand, I hold the other side. I could tie it on the end of the chair, but if I do it this way, it allows me to change on the other side quickly to do the other. And we're done. So these are the basic moves which I'll be introducing if you're for a seated version of our band exercises. All these moves are incorporated into the bands. They're not specifically named after the seated ones because they're more arranged for a standing up full body exercise. However, all these moves can be done if you're seated, if that is necessary. Hopefully that helped out a bit. And if you like what you're seeing, please hit the subscribe button, like the page, give us some comments down below, and join us on Facebook and Instagram as well. And if you're interested in joining up, jump onto xxxbands.com and put your name in a subscriber, and we'll update you with any new information. Okay, if there's anything else you want to see, please put in a comment so that we can make more videos for you. We did the chair one obviously because people asked for it. They didn't want me standing around in the park and everything. They said, "Oh, that's too energetic, I can't follow it." Oh, my mum can't follow it. I think this set of moves can be done. You can do it your own timing, however you want to do it. Just make sure you keep exercise everything else every day. And as I said, my motto is don't forget to work out today. So please don't forget to work out today. Peace out.